Recently, when I've been hand sanding things, I've been using this cork block. The sandpaper just wraps around it and you have to hold it in position as you sand. It's not worth the paper is written on that thing, so I've made myself my own sanding block. So if you want to see how to make it, please continue watching.
I'm going to use these pieces of hardwood to block in the plywood along the front and back edges. So off camera I cut the tops to the correct size. Placing the top into the sanding block, I've marked up the bottom and I'm going to drill the hole for the bolt through both together. Now I'm going to use this 50mm granny knob. God knows who names them, but this is going to be the handle for the sanding block. The hole in the bottom isn't big enough for the bolt that I want to use, so I'm going to have to widen it using a forcing bit and then a drill bit. I want to round over all the edges on this sanding block, but because I don't want to get any tear out, I'm going to use my block plane at different angles. So to install the sandpaper, simply pull out your piece of A4 sandpaper, split it in half, then you lay the sanding block roughly in the middle, and basically you just fold out the two edges so they tuck inside it. Place the top on, and then screw the handle down, and this locks the sandpaper into position. The great thing about this sanding block is you can use it as a face sanding block or a side sanding block.
So there you go, hope you liked the video. One thing I forgot to mention was I did drill these little finger holes in here so you can just pull the top out quite simply, and I have given it 2 coats of spray varnish. Nothing fancy, but it does the job, and you can also use it for rolls of sandpaper, and you can put them lengthwise as well. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing. Feel free to comment below, like, dislike, share, you know, all the stuff. And I'll see you again next week.